Before I continue watching this video, as you may see, 99.7% of my viewers are not subscribed to the channel. So, if you have been here more than once and you have enjoyed the videos that you have seen, please consider subscribing. Thank you. Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today, comparing the image sharpness on the GoPro Hero 9 Black and Hero 8 Black. For this test, I point the two cameras at the same target and let them record 4K video. Then we compare the results. Looking at the images in its original size, I cannot see a big difference between both. When you zoom in to 200% of the original size, you may see that the images from the GoPro Hero 8 Black are sharper. This difference is even more noticeable when you zoom in to 400%. I was surprised by this result.